Did you know your wristwatch is more than just a timekeeper? It's a mirror to your life, reflecting your destiny, relationships, health, and wealth. Every detail of your watch, its size, color, shape, strap, numbers, and even the presence of chronographs, holds a hidden meaning. Through the ancient sciences of astrology, numerology, and Vastu, your wristwatch can reveal the intricacies of your life and guide you towards success and harmony. Imagine transforming your life by simply wearing the right wristwatch. Improve your relationships, boost your health, and attract wealth effortlessly. Your watch can be your most powerful astrological remedy. Join us for the wristwatch analysis workshop on 18th and 19th of April 2025 in Bengaluru. Learn how to decode the secrets of wristwatches and use them to enhance every aspect of your life. Discover the power of astrology and numerology in watch analysis. Choosing the right watch for your life goals, using watches as remedies for health, wealth, and relationships, and much more. Don't miss this life-changing opportunity. Limited seats are available. Book your spot now and unlock the secrets of time. Your time starts now. See you at the workshop. This game.